everyone, watashi no channel o yokoso. Minasan, konnichiwa. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're not gonna learn a Japanese lesson, but I gonna share to you guys that I received an advanced Christmas gift for me on this coming Christmas. I know it's too early Christmas gift, but I was so shocked also. But today, I have a time to open this little gift that I received, and I gonna share to you guys. So, today, 今日の動画は日本のレッスンいませんが、これらのアドバンスギフトを一緒に開けましょう。What are you waiting for? いかや始めましょう。Let's go! So let's start open it. じゃらんじゃらん。I was so happy. Oh! 重い重いです。It's so big. It's more big than my face. Look, only half my face. And ta-da! Ano na siya? So let's open. Maluwang na siya. Thank you, Gucci. Thank you, Mako, for gifting me this. And I got this. Of course. Oh my god. I got a handbag. It's Gucci. And also I got a dust bag, another dust bag. Of course, for the bag. It's so cute. Wow, I love it. I got this Gucci. Wow, I love this I love this lock in here. It's so cute, and it's so classy, guys. I love it. Thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimasu. めっちゃ綺麗だったね。It's inside the bag. I have a one packet, and of course have this Gucci. Of course, card. It's so cute. Let's open and let's try. This I have a one packet in here, zipper packet, and another packet in here. It's so cute, guys, so girly. Thank you so much to the person who gave this to me. I was very shocked, but this how to use this like this, or if you want like this, so girly, like this, or we have this. So let's neck. It's difficult. So it's okay, guys, if your attire is jeans or shorts or winter for summer attire. It's okay siya. But kailangan lang mag-ingat ng you only need to take care when it's rain, because this this bag is not a waterproof. It's not waterproof, so you need to take care when it's rain to avoid the flows. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. And how to connect this here. Katay. Bakit pa siya kaya? Matigas. Yan. Pero sana pera na lang talaga no ang binigay sa akin. But thank you pa rin sa akin. Yan! It's like this. This how it looks. Romititis yun eh. Pwede siyang ganyan. Pwede like this. Or like this. Pwede siyang like this. Or like this. Or pwede siyang like this. Like this. Pwede siya. Wow, ang galing. Also like this. Diba? Cute. Super cute. I love it. Arigato gozaimasu. Thank you so much. Oh. So, that's it for today. To my, I love the gift. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I don't have, I'm speechless. Thank you. I was so lucky that I get this. Because as far as I know, Gucci is not a cheap brand. Maybe Gucci around 10,000 over if it's bag. I don't know what price in this bag, but I gonna check it later. So let's check first. So I already checked it, and the name of this handbag is Jackie 1961 small hobo bag, and it's $1,750 US dollar. So how much it in the peso? It. And I check it, guys, it's around the 87,500 in peso. Wow! So, in this, pwede na ako magtayo ng konting sari-sari store or what. But I'm still thankful on this little bag. Thank you so much. I feel so appreciate. I feel so dope that you give me this. And until next time video, I hope you enjoy it. If you enjoy this video, click the thumbs up, like, thumbs up, and subscribe my channel for more updates. では、今日の動画終わりました。皆さん、見てくれてありがとうございます。And もう一回ありがとうございます。このプレゼント。めっちゃ嬉しかった。ありがとう。Today, I gonna finish this video because it's so long na. And see you soon for my next vlog. Bye bye! ありがとうございます。Moxie!